Hey guys, before we start working with Blender, we have to set it up. We'll change the Blender system of measurement to metric. This will help us when exporting to Unity. First, click File, then User Preferences, and then Editing. Under Global Undo, set the value to 150. This should be enough. Finally, click Apply. Now we'll learn about the camera controls and views. You can change the camera views by pressing these numpad keys. 7 for a view from the top, 1 for a view from the front, and 3 for a view from the right. When you press 5 on a numpad, the camera changes to orthographic mode. When you press it again, it changes back to perspective mode. If you press Ctrl 1 simultaneously, you will get a view from the back, Ctrl 3 a view from the left, Ctrl 7 a view from the bottom. Blender has a neat feature that when you press Shift F, then you can enter first person mode like in computer games. Q up and E down. Where pressing W on the keyboard moves you forward, S backwards and A to the left, D to the right. If you get lost, you can always press Shift C and you will refocus to all seeable objects in the scene. If you press the middle mouse button, you can rotate the camera. If you press Shift middle mouse button, then you can move the camera.